We were there this Monday for the naturalization interview at 9:30 a.m. on Monday, and we went to the window to register, and we were told that all of the naturalization appointments had been canceled, basically descheduled is the term they're using.
That's the same scenario playing out for other people with naturalization interview appointments. People who show up expecting to take one of the final steps towards U.S. citizenship, only to be turned away with no answers. Immigration attorney Hugo Vera says he pressed staff for details, asking when the interviews would be put back on the calendar, and was told they did not know.
I've never seen this before. We've been here at our law firm working these types of cases for 25 years, and we've never seen this before. A naturalization exam being canceled outright and not being told when it might be rescheduled.
These cancellations come as immigration policies continue to shift. In recent weeks, oath ceremonies have been canceled in different states. Just last week, the Trump administration announced a pause on immigration applications from 19 countries it labeled high risk. KCRA reached out to USCIS for clarification about the descheduling of interviews. Once again, the agency sent us the same general statement from last week without addressing our specific questions. But Vera says what he witnessed at USCIS does not line up with the explanation.
They've stated publicly that they're only focusing on these 19 countries for whatever political reasons, security reasons, but my applicant was not from one of those countries, and the rest of the interviewees that I saw at USCIS on Monday were also not from those countries.
The American Immigration Lawyers Association tells KCRA that this is not an isolated incident. Immigration experts warn the lack of notice and explanation raises serious due process concerns.
To hear that they're just ignoring those rules, that the statutes and regulations are being ignored, it's quite shocking. And it's something we've never seen before in immigration law.
For now, there is still no word on when or if any of the canceled naturalization interviews will be rescheduled. Marisela de la Cruz, KCRA 3 News.
Immigration attorneys urge applicants with upcoming interviews to keep checking their accounts and their mail, but they warn many people may not get any advance notice. Until USCIS provides clear answers, attorneys warn that this uncertainty could delay citizenship for thousands of people and leave families in limbo with no clear path forward.